Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Now I am explaining arithmetic progression. So in our 10th class there are two type of progressions. One is arithmetic progression, another one is geometric progression. So I am going to explain what is arithmetic progression, what type of terms are involving in arithmetic progression, how to find nth term and all these things. So see the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is the terms within to get difference is same to every number. Suppose 2, the next number 4, suppose, so the difference is 2. Then you take the same difference 2, that is 6, then same difference 2, so like this. So these type of numbers are called, the terms are called in arithmetic progression. So this is the meaning arithmetic. So the difference is -2. The gap between means there are two ways, addition and subtraction. Suppose first term you should think your own. Then what number we need to add? Guess, that is +3 suppose. So the next number is 8. Again you need to add the same number +3 to get 11. Same again +3 to get 14. So these type of numbers are called in arithmetic progression. So in this arithmetic progression, the first number is called A, first term. It can be denoted by A or A1. Okay. Then whatever the number you added, no, this is a fixed number we can call fixed number. This fixed number is called as a common difference. The fixed number is called a common difference. Clear? These are the two terms important. It is denoted by D. Common difference is denoted by D. These two terms are very important. First term is very important and common difference. Clear about the arithmetic progression? What type of terms will we have? So with the help of A and D, how to get this 8 once check it out? It clearly taken as 5 plus 3. So 11, how to get 11? 5 plus 3 plus 3. How to get 14? 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. For 14, we are adding 3 times with 5. So with the help of these information, we can find what is the nth term of AP. So before that, what is the difference also you need to find. Suppose 6, 10, 14, 18, if these are in AP, so the first term A is called 6. Yes. Then the difference, what is the difference between every two numbers? It will be 4. So this denoted by D, the formula is D, A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. Like this. So this is an important formula for D. Not only the second term minus first term, we can also take third term minus second term like this. Now with the help of A and D, we can go into general term, general form of AP. So what is the general form of AP? It will be denoted by first term is A. How to get second term? A plus D. A plus D. First term plus 4. 4, what is the 4 here? D. To get 10. Now second term, just now I told, first term plus 2 D's. That is clearly called third term. Now next one, A plus 3 D's to get the fourth term. So it's clearly can written as the normal form A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D and so on. Clear this one? So this is a general form. Now it's time for nth term to find, nth term. So just now you know that first term is A and the second term, what is the second term here? This one A plus D. So I want to write A plus B like A plus 1D. Then third term, I will write third term A plus 2D. So now fourth term will be A plus 3D. So when you observe, that second term will be like this. Third term we have 2, the fourth term we have 3D. So with the help of this I can write a nth term. To write the nth term of this given information, nth term, So n we have, so a plus n minus 1 into d. This is clearly nth term. This is the formula for nth term. Not only nth term, if you want to write n minus 1th term also, we have a plus nd. So n plus 1th term if you want to, so if our answer is a plus a, so this is nth term. N minus 1 term is nothing but, sorry, n minus 2 into d. Once again, n minus 1th term is a plus n minus 2. This is n minus 1, you should remove one term less. So n plus 1th term is, n plus 1th term is nothing but n plus 1d. Yes, once again, clear? So this is the type of terms are in AP. So the first term is denoted by A, then common difference is D. So these are the general form of AP. With the help of guessing of first term, second term, third term, there is a pattern how to identify first term, second term and third term. With the help of that, we can write a nth term. This is very, very important formula, nth term. So in the next class, we are going to find how to find 6th term, 10th term of AP or any other term with help of this formula. Okay, children?